to my channel. It's a girl Opaglamz and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. If this is your first time of clicking on my video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. So before we go into this tutorial, I just want to take out this moment to really appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support so far, from my first video here on YouTube to this. Like, I feel like you guys are just amazing with all your kind words, for liking my videos, for commenting on my videos, for sharing my videos. Some of you even take it so far by sending me private messages on Instagram, sending me emails, telling me how grateful you are and how much my tutorials have really helped you guys. So thank you all so much. You guys are just amazing, and I do this because of you guys, because sometimes I'm really tired, sometimes my schedule can be really tight, but anytime I think of how much you guys show your appreciation to me by watching my videos and all of the good stuff you do after watching my videos, I always tell myself, girl, shoot another video, edit it and post because of you guys. So thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. Thank you guys so much. So guys, we're going to twist my hair. So usually when I come on here to twist my hair or show you guys some of my tutorials, my hair is slightly stretched out, and the reason for that is because, especially for twist, is because I want length. That's it. So the difference between doing your twist on slightly stretched out hair and damp or wet hair is just for length. That's it. Some people like their hair stretched out when they are installing twist, while for some they don't mind the shrinkage, so they rather do wet and dry twist. So it all depends on you as the owner of the hair. But today we'll be doing it on wet hair, so I'm going to split my hair, wet my hair, and then show you guys how I do my twist on damp or wet hair. So let me show you guys the product I'll be using. I'll be using this As I Am product, and this is their what's it called, double butter cream. This is it. I don't know if you guys can see, and I'm going to show you guys how it is inside. It's really creamy and thick. Yeah, I think you can see that. It's really, you know, creamy and very thick. Let me show you guys. See, very thick. So the next product I'll be using is the Twist Defining Cream from As I Am as well. So I'll be using this product from As I Am, these two, the Twist Defining Cream and the double butter cream. So guys, the best way to have a really moisturized hair and twist is to start off by moisturizing your hair, which I already did before I started the video. I use the MIELLE Organics leave-in conditioner, I use my oil, and I also use my homemade hair butter, and then I follow through with the As I Am two products that I already showed to you guys, which is very important. So you want to make sure that you use the leave-in conditioner and oil first before you start your twist. Take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. So starting with a twist, I'm just going to spritz my hair with water, and then making sure that the water saturates the whole of the section that I'll be working with, and then detangle, and then go in with the product. You didn't really see me detangle, but actually the hair is already detangled, and then I'm just going in with the As I Am two products that I showed to you guys before now. So the thing is, I should have shown you guys how I moisturize my hair from start to finish, but it's something that I've done before, so I'm just gonna mention what I did. Like I said, I used the leave-in conditioner from MIELLE's, and I also used my homemade hair butter, and I used oil just to seal in all that goodness. I'll leave all the products that I used down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out as well.
the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
So I just want to add that I know you can see the product and you're wondering, oh, I think she's putting so much of the product in her hair. No, I am not. First off, my hair is wet, and then with the combination of the product and also the leave-in conditioner, you know, I told you my hair was already moisturized before I even sprayed it with water, so it is okay for you to see all the creamy product peeping through, and my hair was able to absorb everything by the time it was dry, and my hair felt so moisturized, so yummy with the twist. So it doesn't really matter how you like your twist. You like it done on pre-stretched hair, or you like it done on damp or wet hair. It doesn't really matter. The most important thing is that you're installing a great protective style, which is twist. I love twists. They're a great protective style. They're very easy to install, and also very easy to take down. Okay.
The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Certain shade of blue will always remind me of you. Trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get through. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. There are a lot of voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue will always remind me of you. Trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get through. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others.
So guys, we're finally done with the twist. You can see it is looking so moisturized, so yummy, so bouncy, so soft, and you know, all the beautiful stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Please drop a comment in the comment section down below, and thank you guys so much. Until my next video, bye guys.